Hey folks, this was my first time to Beasley knob. My 4Runner only has 33s with a relatively stock suspension, so I didn't do a bunch of crazy stuff. But I hope you enjoy the video. It's narrated by my 9-year-old daughter with her in the passenger seat. She's excited because she gets to ride up front when we do the four-wheeling. So anyways, here's the video, and thanks for watching.
So far up, I can't get the ground.
Yeah.
I was just getting the trees. I was just getting the trees for a second. Oh, and I now I'm just getting the sun.
This is pretty gnarly.
Yeah. My arms. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, here comes a big one. It scared me. I didn't see that.
We haven't even used the lock.
If I hold this tight, it feels like we're in Florida right now. I don't know why.
Feel like we're in Florida?
Yeah, I don't know.
How does it feel like we're in Florida?
I don't know.
We don't got nothing like this in Florida. Oh my goodness.
I just forgot all about the chocolate stuff and the Papa's pizza. And I forgot that we were in Georgia. If I don't fall.
This looks like the convergence of a couple different trails here.
Yep, it's huge. We're just gonna follow them. We don't want to get lost in the forest. Are you gonna show Mommy these videos?
I don't know. She kind of gets scared about stuff that we do. She won't be super happy about following somebody on 40s either.
I wonder if I place it here and I just put my fingers here.
No, you have to
Aw.
hold.
Oh, the sun. No, I don't want the sun. I'm slipping. I'm slipping. I'm slipping. And the sun is there. Whoa. Whoa.
Okay. Are you gonna hold it still?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
At least I'm gonna try.
Golly, this is crazy. Oh man, I just hit the belly. The framer skid plate. Good gracious.
Eek. Ugh. My stomach hurts because I'm having to like use my stomach and my elbows to hold me up. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Well, no. I'm only getting the trees right now.
Oh gosh.
Oh no. Oh my gosh.
That was a little more slippery than I wanted it to be. That part was definitely a little concerning. I bet I scraped the skid plates on that and just picked up some dirt. You probably need to have the seat belt on. That's fine.
I have the seatbelt on. If I didn't have it on, it would be so much easier to video this.
Oh, you do have the seat belt on. Okay.
Yeah, I had the seatbelt on. I've had the seatbelt on. That's why it's hard to video. Oh. Oh, here comes a deep one. We're stupid ice cream. We're stupid chocolate ice cream today. That was the weirdest sound in the history of sounds. The walls are the same color as the ground. Oof. Ow, my arm. Oof. Oh my. Oh. This is scaring me. It's like a tunnel right now.
Yeah, I mean,
it's like a tunnel
crazy.
for the crap, for the... I'm not getting the best video because, you know, we keep going like up and down and stuff.
Yeah. Why is it so cut out here? This is crazy.
I know.
This is 93G. Okay.
I don't know what 93G is. Oh my. Oh my.
Gosh.
I guess we just keep following them. This is cool. I don't want to run into a tree though.
Neither do I.
But oh my gosh, these trees are really close.
They're pretty close together. Yeah, they are.
I'm scared. I don't want to run into a tree. Yay, we accomplished. Oh, are they turning?
No, I think we're trying to let this guy by.
Oh, okay. Okay, dude. We'll try to let you go by.
One of mine. Nice work. Man, that is.
So this is straight, and then this is what we are right now. This is so fun and creepy at the same time.
You want to look back and go through that one? Oh, they're gonna follow us?
I guess so. Huh. They have huge tires though. I can do this. I can do it from here. No, I'm trying to get them. And they're right there. Oh. I don't know where they went. They're gone. Oh, I see them. But we're kind of here, so they can't go all the way up. He also sounds nice.
Yeah.
We're meeting some new nice people. That sound of a drink down there is just sunscreen.
I think this is a little scary to me.
It's real scary. You know what I think is scary? When you said that the
Gosh, that was scary.
When you said that the Bronco just fell back and it hit a tree. And
That's why I'm kind of like further away from these guys, because of that Bronco experience.
Yeah. That's part of the reason I'm scared. Is because I don't want that to happen to us again.
Well, it's not going to happen to us again. We don't have a cheap Ford.
Do they have cheap Fords?
Who? These guys?
Yeah.
They're Jeeps.
Well, I don't know what Jeeps are.
They're not Fords.
Okay. Well.
Oh.
The phone was going like, well. The phone did a loop-de-loop. Oh, I did not like the sound of that. You're stealing me.
Yeah.
It's upside down.
Uh-oh.
What?
He's having some trouble here.
Scared, but video on. I don't like having my hands up in the
Okay,
air.
so this is going to be difficult.
Oh.
I want to get him.
I got a video of it.
worried about that one. I'm worried about that one.
Which one?
This one.
How are you worried about that one? Is he gonna help us?
I don't know.
I feel like he is. Or he's gonna tell us what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm taking a video of it because you know you kind of told me.
Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You want me as far over there as I can? Okay. Yeah, I was noticing that with him, so yeah.
I'm just gonna stay frozen for the rest of the time whenever we get over this hill.
You want me to go that way and then duck around? Okay.
Come driver, just keep going. Keep going. It's this one hook right here.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Alright.
I'm scared. The purple one
We
is
gotta
so
let these
cool.
guys out. These guys, some serious hardware there. Look at those
purple
tires, man. Oh my gosh.
Look at the purple. I want the purple one. I want both of them. Oh.
This is actually 3 out of 5, so we can actually go slower or faster. I'm fine with this speed though.
Yeah. I'm okay with that.
Gosh. Those skid plates. Jeez.
What are skid plates?
They're the things you hit instead of hitting the good stuff.
Oh. Wait, did they just fall off?
No, they're still fine. They're probably just a little bit scratched now.
Oh. That's okay.
We will actually.
Merpity, merpity, merpity. I lost them. I don't know where they went.
Yeah, that's okay. We're coming.
Hopefully they wait for us.
No wait for
In
us. Don't
times
worry.
of need.
They slow down and do stuff too, so it's like.
Oh, here comes a bump. Here comes a bump. There's a
And we'll
bump
go a
in
little
the
bit
road.
faster there.
Oh my gosh.
And we'll hit this thing and we'll go a little bit slower.
You know, I did not sign up for this. Oh my gosh. There's a bump in the road. There's a bump in the road. There's a huge log thingy on the other side. I'm singing to calm myself down. Because I don't like it. No, I don't like it.
Oh gosh, that stuff smells.
Ew, it smells like
It smells
cow
bad.
It smells like cow poop, and yes, I do know what cow poop smells like. Because I've been to a farm before. Oh, I'm holding on. I don't want to die.
We're not gonna die, my goodness.
We will die.
I'm gonna cut off crawl control has been deactivated, so I think we're just gonna.
Was the crawl control making it slower?
Yes,
Oh
the
my.
crawl control controls the rate of crawl. That's what it's for. Oh gosh, this is some nasty.
Nope, 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 nope,
nasty.
nope,
Oh, there
nope,
we go.
nope,
That's,
nope.
will you
It's
hold it straight?
I'm trying. It's hard. The going down is the funnest because down, so there's
Yeah.
more steepness.
Uh-huh.
S's.
Yeah. And we can certainly use gravity for the going down, which is good and bad.
Oh. That's nice. Oh, they stopped. Yay.
Well, I think that we just caught up to them because they're going pretty slow.
Are they
We gotta,
using
or we could go.
Oh.
They probably have some form of crawl control too, I would think.
And they're using it the whole way. Oh, we didn't use it the whole way. Oh, it's watery. I don't like it. Ooh, I see a big pile up here. It's blue, and I hate blue.
Blue.
It's blue in the thingy. Oh, blip, 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 blip.
We're gonna stop right here.
Why would you stop in the mud?
Well, because I don't want to get any closer to them.
I was looking at my videos, and they're good.
I don't know which way we're going here. Okay.
Oh, no. Oh, that way.
Okay, but we're trying to.
Get around that root.
Yeah.
That huge root
Yeah.
that's
So we don't
sticking out.
slide. We're gonna be good.
I'm scared that this is like really steep right here.
Yeah, that's why I want him to move. I don't want to. If I end up wrecking, I don't want to wreck him too.
Oh,
Which I don't intend to wreck.
Want to wreck. Please, I would not intend to do that. The video. Oh, that's steep and it has a curve at the end, and I don't like it.
You'll be fine.
I don't like it. Oh! Ew, that was scary.
I'm telling you. I do not like
this
when
curve
I start
is at the
sliding
edge of
sideways.
This edge is like at the edge of a cliff right now. And it's scary and it looks steep. We keep rolling and rolling to the end of the mountain. I mean, we are going down anyway, but we're on a street thingy. We're on a road, so we're not hitting trees every second. We roll down, which is good because I don't want to hit a tree. We're still going downhill, people, and I'm scared. I'm scared. This way. Oh, I see the guy
Where do you see the green guy?
up there. I see his light.
Where? Up where?
I saw his light somewhere over
Oh,
there.
over there? Okay.
Yeah. I'll tell you when I see him again. I even feel like a roll down the edge of a cliff. Oh! That scared me. I'm like, oh! I'll tell you when I see him again. I don't see him right now. Oh my gosh. But that's because I can't see the road below us because it just keeps going down. And then trees are covering it, so. This was actually really fun. Can't you agree? And scary at the same time.
I mean, yes, it is fun.
And scary at the same time. I'm trying to get as much as I can in.
Why is this?
Oh, it's so muddy. It's so muddy. Oh! There's a big puddle right there. And I don't like that. It looks farther away in the video. I don't know why. It just does. Oh, no. I'm going to hold on. I can't watch. The video can watch, but I can't watch. Okay, I watched. I don't know why. If I put it right here, that looks like our car's camouflage color.
It looks like car. Yeah.
If this was just like a road in the mountains and it wasn't like four-wheeling and stuff, then this would be like really nice because like the forest and stuff. Everybody says that the forest makes you calm, which I don't think it does, but
Well, it should make you calm. I mean,
it makes me more crazy and scared.
why?
Especially when
Well,
we're
only
out
because we're
filming.
doing this, though.
Yes. The forest also makes me scared. It does not make me calm. It makes me scared. Because of animals. Okay, these aren't that bad. These bumps and stuff. They aren't as bad as the other ones. Spud rub. This spider like this forest for some reason.
Well, spiders live in forests, you know? I mean, that's the deal, you know?
Yeah. I think we're almost to the end.
I don't know where the end is. I have no clue.
Oh, the phone's going all over the place.
Did I shift out? No, I'm still in low. Okay.
We're going a lot faster. Yeah, I think we're coming close to the end. I can just feel it. Because it are getting softer.
I don't think you have any clue.
Yes, I do.
I don't, because I have no clue.
But
They're
I
the ones
have a
with the
clue.
map. So I mean, it's...
I have a very good clue. We're on Neesland something. It looks like we're on like...
I think it's Nelson's Gap or Nelson something Gap. That's one of the trails in.
Beasley Knob.
Yes.
Hey, I got it right this time. Is that a big puddle? I can't see.
No, it's not a big bus. It's dry here.
I thought it just looked really shiny.
Which I
so
always
thought it was-
prefer to wet and muddy.
Huh?
Although it's almost dusty.
It is dusty. We dusty in there. Oh, do you see the spider web just floating? That was cool. Oh, don't look. Don't look down.
Yeah, that's what freaked mommy out a little bit. Stuff like that.
Because I have the side that goes down, and I just looked down. I don't know why, but I did. Why are we going up? How did that?
They're going where the trail takes us. Big
I
rock.
know.
There's
just-
a bunch of bushes here.
Oh, If I got a video of this whole thing, my arm would be sore so much. Like,
You need to work out
I
more,
don't
huh?
have words to describe it.
A week?
No,
Out of shape?
no,
Um,
no,
flabby girl?
no. No. Wait, so what? Where are we going hiking?
I don't know. We got to figure out. There's lots of places we could go. We're gonna see if Mallory wanted to go to some place closer to her. If not, we'll look at some place closer up here.
Yeah, I want to go somewhere like more stone and
More
not
stony?
tree.
Oh well, they're gonna be trees no matter what. So.
Ugh, not this much tree though.
Well, I mean, it's you'll be fine.
Will I though?
You will.
No, will I though? I feel like that tree log's just gonna come and hit us.
What tree log?
The tree log that was just on our side.
Oh.
The big
You
one
think
that
it's
was sticking
gonna
out.
pick itself up and come and get
No,
us?
I feel like because it tilted like
gosh,
this.
this is difficult here.
I don't think that's supposed to be there.
Well, it is there, so I'd say it begs to differ. There'll be a few extra scrapes on the truck after this.
Oh, that's nice. But they'll buff out, right?
Well, most of them probably will.
I actually don't know what buff out
That scratch on
means.
the back wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but we'll...
Do not enable for connect. And then I didn't read the other one. It looks green. The sky looks green. Merp. Oh, my arm. Oh, it's so hard. What makes this trail scarier is that it's on a mountain.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's part of what makes it good, though, too. I mean, that's... Have the elevation changes and inclines, declines, and...
Yep.
That's part of the draw to it as well.
Oh, there's a that one had thorns on it.
Yeah, I'm not really worried about the thorns. I'm worried about the bigger branches.
I know.
We're definitely in the thick of it here, I'll tell you that.
The thick of it means like grassy?
Well, no, like the
Foresty?
scraping. Yeah,
Oh.
the branches and stuff. It was kind of like this in, what was it, a place in Tennessee in Unicoi that me and Mommy went to. It was very canopy and the foliage was very tight.
It looks cool that way. I mean, maybe it's not so cool for the car, but it looks cool.
Yeah.
Some leaves that are like just like some plants that are just like leafy, like you can't, like they're not like sharp and like hard sticks. They're like they're technically like a vine-ish kind of. You don't really have to worry about because they feel like they're just really soft.
What was that?
I was about to say that.
Well, I guess we hit, might have just been, I don't know how we could have hit a rock that low. Where are we going? Okay, over here. Okay. Oh, gosh.
Oh,
Gosh.
my glasses.
Where'd they go?
Oh, they're still on my
Still on
face.
your face? That's good.
Yeah, but they went down to my nose.
Mm-hmm.
We're literally in the middle of nowhere right now. Kind of.
Okay, ready? All right. Here we go.
It looks like a sharp turn and an incline.
Sharp turn and incline.
I heard, yes.
I know, I'm just telling you.
We slipped a little bit to the left
There's a
there, too.
downhill. Downhill.
All right, you can cut it off. Good, see it. Oh, right up over, right up over. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, hang on, that's good.
So these photos right here are the aftermath. I'm airing up the tires. I normally run about 15, 16 PSI, maybe as much as 18 when I do this kind of stuff. And so that's why the hood's up, is I don't have an onboard air compressor yet. But you can see here the spare tire is becoming an issue, I think, with its departure angle. Here's a picture of the gunked up trailer hitch. I mean, it's just a lot of mud, and this was like not seeking out any mud. It was just the puddles that were on the path. So just for your information, it is pretty nasty, but overall the conditions were pretty good, so I can't complain too much.